Hey guys, it's Eric Rodriguez here with reviewtheinside.com, and this is one of the videos in my series of what the rich people are doing and what the poor people are not doing. So consider subscribing so you don't miss the next video in this series. Alright, so again, this is video number 5 of the video series of what the rich people are doing and what the poor people are not doing. So let's get right into it. Poor people always think they know everything. They always have an opinion on something. They always want to tell their opinion and think that they know it all, so that way they get some type of attention. But that's not valuable. You're running in a small circle just to get attention. That doesn't make you money. That doesn't do anything for you as far as your wealth or to make your life better. You're just trying to get attention so you can feel better within those few minutes, and you always think you know everything and have an opinion. Compared to what rich people do, they learn, they ask questions, they stay humble, they're always listening, and then they put that into action as far as what they learn when it becomes valuable to them. You see what I'm getting at? Poor people, they always have an opinion, they always think they know it all, and they don't do anything new. They continue to run in a circle. Talking about sports, is that making them money? No. Talking about the government, is that making them money? No. Rich people are learning new things to get new results, new ideas, asking questions and staying humble. Think about that one. This is what rich people are doing and poor people are not doing. They don't ask questions, they don't learn, they don't know the facts. They think they know because they spend hours on TV. That doesn't make them money. That's the name of the game. You want to make money, you want to be rich. That's one of the steps. You ask questions, you learn each and every single day. That is what rich people are doing and poor people are not doing. They run in a circle for attention. Hence, example, social media, not making them money. Just posting their opinion and pictures of their daily lives, but it's not making them money. It's just attention. It's a little high for those few minutes because people are liking it. You got to change that. Think about what's going to take you to the next level. New things give you new results. Something to ponder.